Dun, 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 dun. What's that from? Looney Tunes. Looney Tunes. Because I got on my Looney Tune shirt with all those Looney Tune characters. There's no Elmer Fudd. There's no Sylvester Putty Tat. There's no Yosemite Sam. But that's okay. It's all right. It's okay. But y'all know what time it is, right? Right? Y'all know what time it is? It's that taste test time. And that taste test time is going to be a snack. It's going to be a chip. And this chip is made by Frito-Lay. If y'all saw my most recent video, it was the Lay's BLT sandwich taste test. Well, this taste test is going to be a little different. This one's going to be like something super crunchy. I think it's going to be a little spicy. Why do I say that? Because it's Doritos Hot Mustard. And I love hot mustard. And I'm eating my McDonald's chicken nuggets. So, this has no mission statement on it. Doesn't really have much on the bag itself. So we're going to open it from the bottom. That's where all the tasty goodness is. And we're going to try it. Woo! Man, I breathed in way too hard on it. Oh my goodness. Woo. It smells just like hot mustard. Look at that. Y'all see them chips in there? They are yellow. So, time to give it a go. All right. Yeah, that smells like hot mustard, all right. Oh my goodness. Oh. These taste like hot mustard. Oh my goodness. You got a little kick to it. Just like hot mustard. Mmm. Oh. Mmm. Mmm. Oh my goodness. Mix the hot mustard with the Cool Ranch. Because that's what I do. I get the hot mustard and I get the ranch at McDonald's and I go hot mustard ranch, hot mustard ranch, hot mustard ranch. Heck yeah. Oh, this is good. Wow. Mmm. 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 All right. Doritos Hot Mustard. Definitely a thumbs up. Smells like hot mustard. Tastes like hot mustard. I'm looking for some chicken nuggets right now. Mmm. 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 Yeah, swallow this. But yes, this is good. Woo. But just when you go to sniff that aroma, don't sniff too deep because it will choke you out like you saw it almost do me. It's all right, y'all. If you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up on the YouTube and TikTok. Then go ahead and follow and subscribe on the YouTube, or subscribe and follow on the YouTube and TikTok. And then go ahead and hit that notification bell on the YouTube so you can get notified every time I'm posting a video, you know? And then, oh, let me see my beard here. Ooh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Uh-huh. And then go ahead and leave it, send this to your friends and family. And of course, leave us a comment because I've had that Lay's BLT sandwich. I've had the Doritos Hot Mustard. And we got another one. We got another one. You know, Doritos came out with a couple of flavors. What could that other Dorito flavor be? Hit that notification bell. You'll find out. All right, y'all. Y'all know what to do. I'll see y'all later. Bye-bye.